Today, we're making a rich and flavorful Mediterranean dish where the tenderness of octopus meets the creaminess of chickpeas in perfect balance. To start, here are the ingredients. An octopus of about 1 kilogram, 250 grams of dried chickpeas, or if you prefer to speed things up, 400 grams of cooked chickpeas. An onion, a carrot, a celery stalk, 2 bay leaves, a clove of garlic, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, chopped fresh parsley for garnish, and, if you like, slices of toasted bread. If you've chosen to use dried chickpeas, start by soaking them the night before in water with a pinch of bicarbonate. The next day, after draining and rinsing them under running water, cook the chickpeas with the roughly chopped carrot, celery and onion, a bay leaf, and some cold water. Bring to a boil and simmer until the chickpeas are tender, adding salt only towards the end of cooking. In the meantime, clean the octopus by removing the innards, eyes and beak, and rinse it under cold water. In a large pot, bring some water with a bay leaf and a pinch of salt to a boil. Dip the octopus 3 times in the boiling water for a few seconds each time, then immerse it completely, and let it cook for about 40 to 50 minutes, or until it is tender. Once tender, turn off the heat and let the octopus cool in its cooking water to maintain its tenderness. When the chickpeas are cooked, drain them and reserve the cooking water. Discard the vegetables and puree the chickpeas with some of their water, adding a crushed clove of garlic and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Adjust salt and pepper to taste. Take the octopus out of the water, cut it into pieces, and sauté it in a pan with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil until it is nicely browned. Plate the hot octopus on the chickpea puree, garnish with chopped fresh parsley, and serve it, if you like, with slices of toasted bread. Octopus with chickpeas is a dish that also holds up very well the next day, when the flavors have had more time to meld together. Enjoy your meal. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. In some Italian regional variations, the octopus is also paired with other legumes or potatoes, creating very tasty and satisfying variations.